Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop pictures into a custom shape on Canva. First you need to figure out what kind of shape you want to crop this image into. Then go to Elements and type in whatever shape you're choosing. I want to crop this image into the shape of a star, so that's what I'm going to type in. And then click on Shapes. And then scroll to the right here and then click on Frames. As you can see, there are multiple star-shaped frames here, so I'm going to choose one that I like. And then just drag the picture inside of the frame. To undo this, I can right-click and then click on Detach Image. If you're unable to find a frame that is shaped in a way that you like, you can create your own custom frame. If you need help on how to do that, you can find our tutorial in the description below. Alright, this is how you can crop pictures into custom shapes on Canva. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.